Hi, goblins. Welcome. I'm G, and this is M.
Hi, everyone.
Guess what we have planned for you? We have a spooktacular Zoom party planned for October 20th. What day is that, M?
That's on a Saturday.
And it starts at 10 o'clock, and it goes till about 11:30. Now, what are they going to get?
They're going to get this beautifully decorated box.
What's inside?
It's full of crafts that we're all going to make together.
Oh my goodness, let's look at some of the crafts.
Yes, let's do. First, you're going to get this beautiful mask here.
What do you do with it?
Well, it's a scratch-off mask, and underneath are beautiful colors, and you can scratch off designs. It's going to look so great.
We want everybody to wear their mask at this Zoom party.
Yes, it'll be fun.
What craft are we going to make? Here's a pumpkin. We're going to make this with you. You're going to have everything you need to make it. What else?
Look who's flying in.
Oh my goodness, is he cute? Let me show you this. You're going to make this cute little guy that you can hang from your door. What else?
And guess what's inside this?
Oh, who likes sucker covers? Look at this. Oh my goodness. And it also comes with the straw. So when you're done eating the sucker, you can put it in your chocolate milk, right? What else? Guess what? We're going to have games. We're going to walk like zombies. Listen to this. Oh my goodness. And you win prizes too. Who likes jewelry? We have this beautiful necklace with skulls and bones on it. And of course, you can't do your crafts without
Glue, a glue stick.
So we hope you join us. Well, how do they join him? Oh, that's right. They go below this video and there'll be a link. Go to creativemomentsbyg.com and click on Spooktacular and it'll tell you what you have to do. So time is short, so hurry and sign up right now. We hope to see you on Saturday, October